Greetings, family and friends. So I'm getting a check engine message in my Scion 2000 series car, and I'm trying to find out what the problem is. And when I use the scanner here, I'm getting p0303 error, heated oxygen sensor heater. And that's probably because I took the O2 sensor off from the catalytic converter because it was making noise. It's probably not recommended, but I'm testing. The other error I'm getting is, let's find out here, is p0303. I don't know if you can see it. p0303. Cylinder 3 misfire detected and confirmed. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to go to the engine block and open up the spark plug number 3. So let's go do that. Let me just unplug this. Alright, as if check engine light is not enough, right? I have plug number 3 really plugged, meaning it's really jammed. So look at that in a second here. But let us find out. Let's see. Wish I can orient this the right way. So at least you can see this. You know? Not sure if that's the greatest view, but you know, that's what we have right now. And I'm hoping that that's gonna work okay. I'm hoping, right? So let's hope against hope. So that's the view of the engine. So number 3 is 1, 2, 3. So I'm trying to get this rubber boot, the ignition coil, out. And it's pretty stuck. I mean, it's pretty stuck. It would not come off. I probably should undo that. So let me do that.